Hello all, in this video I am going to show you the demo of new WhatsApp ordering feature that we added in this digital product catalog and menu module for Ultimate POS. So let us get started and let us check what actually we can do this using this WhatsApp ordering feature. So once you have installed this digital product catalog module, simply scroll down and you will find a catalog QR option here. Click on this menu and you will get the complete dashboard of all the settings. First, you have to select the business location. Let me select this location as awesome shop here. So you can create for as many as location you have. Let us say if we have 5 different locations, then you can create catalog for all different 5 different locations. And each catalog will be different for different locations. So let me select this location as awesome shop here. QR code color. I can select the color of the QR code. Let me just keep it as, for example, for here, keep it as blue color. Title as awesome shop. Subtitle as product catalog. Show business logo on QR code. Okay, I have checked this option and I will click on generate QR. With this, our QR code is generated here. Next, I can simply download this image and use this image, maybe hang this image somewhere in my shop, or maybe give this image to customers or someone, and they can scan this image and they can find the complete catalog. Or you can simply give this link also. Simply click on this link, and this link you can directly give to the customers. From here, they can view the complete catalog. Now next let us go to the settings here. Inside the settings we have option for out of stock product. We want to display out of stock product? If we click on show, then it will display all the products even if it's out of stock. So by default out of stock will be shown here, but if I want to disable it, I can simply select the side option and save it. Let us keep it as enable for now. Next, this is the main feature which we will be discussing right now, which is WhatsApp ordering settings. So if you enable this WhatsApp ordering settings, customer can actually place the order from this QR catalog and the order will directly come to your WhatsApp. So once you enable this option, you can disable this option by unchecking this checkbox. By default, it is enabled. So simply enable this one. Enter the phone number to which order will be received. Order receiving WhatsApp number. So here you have to enter your number to which you will be getting the WhatsApp orders. So currently I have just added a dummy number here and I will click on save. Next I can simply come to the shop here, the link with the complete catalog, and here I can see the list of all the products. You can see we have a completely new design here, which is looking very good. All the different categories are displayed here: men's, accessories, electronics, sports, books, foods and groceries. Uncategorized will be displayed inside this uncategorized option. So whatever categories you have created inside your products, these all will be displayed here. So if suppose I want to view all the accessories, or I want to view all the electronics item or sports item, you can simply click on this option and it will scroll down to that particular section. So here we have this product available in the stock. I can simply click on this view option here. Inside the view option, you can see it is displaying me all the different variations. So this color gray variation is currently out of stock. Black is also out of stock, and this variation is available. So I can simply increase the quantity here, and whatever quantity I increase, that will be added to our cart here. So no need to press any other different buttons. Simply clicking on this quantities will add those product to our cart. So here I've increased the quantity to 1 and this has got added to our cart. Let me also add pair of dumbbells. Okay, now you can see it is showing me the complete total cart value here. Click on this option and it will show you the my cart. Here it is displaying all the products: Samsung Galaxy S8, Quantity 1, the price is this much. Subtotal, here we have action to remove it. They can remove the product from here. Next, I can click on this place order. When I click on this place order here, I have to enter the customer details. Inside the customer details, I have to enter the complete details here. So the customers will enter their details. Inside your name, they will enter their name, email address, phone number, and the delivery address. Send order to WhatsApp. So when I click on send order to WhatsApp, what it will do is it will send the order to the WhatsApp to whatever number is mentioned here. So whatever number you have mentioned, that from that to that number the WhatsApp order will be sent. And it will be sent from customer's mobile. So if the customer has opened it in their mobile phone, it will use their WhatsApp, and from their WhatsApp it will be sending the complete order details. So let me also show you how it looks in the mobile view. I will simply switch it to mobile view from here. Let us say how it looks in the iPhone. So you can see in the iPhone we have, like, in the top it is displaying the name of the shop. Here it is displaying the menu for the categories. So all the categories will be displayed here. Men's accessories. I can simply click on any of the categories and it will scroll down to that particular categories. So here also customers can click, customers can increase. So you can see when I'm increasing the quantity, it is getting added to the cart here. So no need to add any separate buttons, no need to click any separate buttons. Simply increasing the quantity will add the product to the cart. I can also view all the options. Let me go to accessories once again, and yeah, let us click on view options. So for product which has the options, it will show you the view options here. For the product which does not have the options, it will not show the view options. For example, this product is, it does not have any other option, so it will simply display these details here. It will simply display the option to increase the quantity here. You can click on that and it will display the complete details, whatever descriptions, categories, SKU, images, or if you have added multiple images, all the multiple images will be displayed here. So I will click on view options for this one. You can see all the different options. I have increased the quantity of this one also. So you can see currently I have three products in my cart. The total cart value is this much. I can click on this button cart and it will show me all the products in the cart. Next I can click on place order, or I can click on continue shopping. Let me click on place order here. And next what I have to do is I have to fill all the details, that is your name, email address, phone number, delivery address. So once again, this will be filled by the customers. They will provide their details here and click on send order via WhatsApp. So what this will do is it will send you the order via WhatsApp from the customer's WhatsApp number only. And the order will be received to whatever number you are providing here. So make sure you are providing the correct number here along with the country code. Don't prefix plus in front of country code. If your country code is 1, then simply enter 1 here. You don't have to enter plus 1 here. So when I click on send order via WhatsApp, it will send the order which will have all the details of products, quantity, price, subtotal, the details of the customer, that is the customer name, email address, phone number, delivery address. Also it will have a order ID. So this will be a reference number using which you can communicate with the customer. Also let me provide some important points here. This order will not be saved in the database. So this is just an order which you will be receiving in your WhatsApp. So next, if you want to process this order, you have to first verify if the order is correct or if the order needs to be processed. You can contact with the customer and then you can add the order inside your POS system. So this will be simply an order. This will simply be an draft order. It will not be saved in the database. You have to create a new order when you are delivering these products to the customers. So I hope you find this feature very useful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to comment below, and or maybe you can contact our support. Thank you for watching.